Hey, welcome back to chapter number 4. And let us continue the pillars of digital marketing. Pillars are nothing but the stages. You need to execute step by step. Trust me, marketing is absolutely a discipline or a function in business that you need to execute step by step. In the last marketing pillar, we understood the most important pillar is understanding your customer, that is buyer's persona, or sometimes it is also called as ideal customer profiling. In chapter number 3, let us understand that after you make a detailing about your buyer persona, or after you understand who exactly your customer is, what's the next step? The next pillar of digital marketing is raising awareness. Gaining attention of your buyers. Now that you know who the hell your customer is, who exactly is the buyer, where they actually live, what is their demography, what's their interest, behavior, and after using such of growth hacking tools, you figure out what is right. Right now, it is time to attract them. It's time to gain their attention, right? And so as to gain their attention, you need to understand the something that you're learning right now. The pillars of digital marketing are the stages that makes your marketing more systematic. So in the last session, in the last chapter, we understood the very first stage or the pillar is buyer's persona. Right now, it's all about awareness. You need to understand your customer are only going to buy from you if they are aware about you. Your customer will only buy from you if they are aware that the solution or the product that you have can solve one of their problems, right? So they need to remain aware. How come somebody is going to buy from you if they don't know you? They should be aware. They should be aware about the problem. They should be very clear about the problem they have, the reasons behind the problem, and the potential solutions. So for this, you have to understand raising awareness is very much important to grab the attention. And remember one thing, gaining attention is the key to attract your buyers. So the second step, you have to understand that no matter where your customers are spending time, no matter where exactly your customers have shown or your prospects are showing behavior to spend time, what are those platforms? I have to show up there with useful information. I have to show up with my brand messages and content in those specific spots where my customers are spending time, so as to grab their attention, to attract your buyer. Attention is the biggest currency, boys and girls, these days, right? So you have to make sure that you grab the attention. And so as to grab the attention right now, these are the top 4 popular platforms right now. It's Google, it's YouTube, the social media channels, and of course the email platforms. Apart from that, there are so many others as well. There are so many messengers, there are so many Q&A sites, there are so many forums like Quora, there are many directories, business directories. Primarily, these are the top 4 platforms where you will find more than 4 billion people actively participating. That means these are a different planet altogether. This is a different planet altogether. And if you're not present in all these platforms, then you're gone. Google, YouTube, social media, and email. Make sure that your customer is aware about you. You have to grab their attention in all those platforms. Remember one thing, people. When it comes to Google, how exactly on Google? Let's say, for example, right now you can see on the screen, I am on Google. Let's say you are a doctor and you want to increase your patient appointments. So you are a doctor, you will go to Google and you will type digital marketing for doctors. Let's say, right now I'm making this video from India. So, let's take an example. There's a medical doctor, medical professional from India who wants to get digital marketing for their clinic, so that they want to grow their clinic. They want to get more clients, patient appointments. So the very first thing they are going to do is digital marketing for doctors in India. So if you are a service provider like we are, if you are a consultant like I am, so it is very much important for you that you present on Google to grab the attention of the doctors, right? So you see, the moment a prospect who is a potential client seeking digital marketing services for their clinic, they will scroll down. The moment they scroll down, you can see there are so many parties, there are so many clients and customers. There are so many service providers who are running ads. You see, there is an AD icon. This is an AD icon. This is nothing but Google search ads, which are sometimes called as Google text ads, also popularly called as pay-per-click advertisement. That means, number one, you can please make a note. So as to grab attention on Google, you have to learn the skill of running campaigns on Google search ads or pay-per-click ad. Why pay-per-click ad? Because these advertisers that you see on active right now, these advertisers are paying Google certain amount of money for every single click that is potentially to happen on their particular link or their particular website. It is the reason it's also called as PPC ads. That means these are paid methods to promote your company messages, promote your product messages on Google, promote your website on Google. If you further scroll down, you see here, here you see alokbhatia.com, which is my personal blog, is ranking on number one position. Somebody who is actually looking for digital marketing services for their clinic, you see alokbhatia.com is absolutely on the top. So here you see, you will not find any sort of AD icon. Such results on Google first page or top results are called as organic results. That means organic means natural. That means this particular website have managed to go onto the top of Google search engine result page organically. That means naturally. That means there are certain Google algorithms, quality parameters that a website need to follow and satisfy what Google loves, and accordingly win the trust of Google and climb to the top of Google search engine result page. That means you have to follow the protocols, the rules. These are called as Google algorithm. And this particular study is called as search engine optimization, SEO. If you want to be on the top of Google search engine result page, you have to understand and practice and learn the skill of PPC ads or search ads or SEO. So let us quickly come back to the slide. The next comes YouTube. YouTube again, it's the second largest search engine on planet. Right? If you go to YouTube and let's say, for example, if you go to YouTube and if you type, let's say, how to get a Facebook ads client. Let's say you are a freelancer, you want to start your business around Facebook and you type this query. The moment you come onto Google and you type in this query, you see our videos are absolutely ranking on Google on YouTube first page. Okay, absolutely ranking on YouTube first page. That means we have managed by optimizing our video in such a way, by conducting YouTube SEO and sometimes running YouTube ads, video ads as well, and grabbed people attention by remaining on the top listings of YouTube. This is how you have to learn how exactly you can take your video to the top on YouTube. Third comes social media platform, right? If you're active on social media platforms like LinkedIn, maybe on Instagram, Facebook, there's a huge chunk of traffic spending time there. You need to understand, people on social media have become viral. Your brand can become viral if you create amazing, amusing content, entertaining content, because on social media, people are actually in a leisure mode. So that means visibility is the important aspect here. Out of sight means out of mind. So it is very much important for you to make sure that you appear on social media. The fourth one is the email. Today, there are more than 1 billion people using actively email. 120 email come to me every single day. Email is something where you can directly go into the inbox of a prospect on their device, no matter wherever they are spending time. Is that clear to everybody? So you need to understand, marketing is a contest that you compete with your competitors to win customers' attention. So how sophisticatedly, effectively and efficiently you are creating information about your brand, about your product and services, and grabbing attention of your prospect on Google, YouTube, social media platform, email platforms is something that will make you a great digital marketer. And for that, you have to learn how to create great copy, how to understand your consumer, how to create great offer, how to optimize your content in such a way that YouTube, social media, and Google, and of course, email server algorithms identify you as a credible product seller or as a solution provider and promote your page absolutely to the top of Google search engine result page. Plus, if you want to run paid methods, promote your products using paid methods, you have to master YouTube ads, social media ads, Google ads, like search ads, and understand budgeting, understand optimizing your ads, learn the art how to create highly attractive and titillating ad. You can be on the top. So these are the top 4 platforms that will help you to generate humongous awareness. The second stage where a digital marketing professional should be mastering is raising awareness.